Hi, I'm Swanila Set with Bentley Systems. In this video, I will take you through the process of setting up the development environment using the developer shell. Please watch my previous videos to download and install Bentley products and their associated SDKs. So let's begin. Please note here that you have the proper software and hardware requirements before setting up the environment. The first step is to navigate to the Start menu or desktop and search for MicroStation Connect Edition SDK shortcut. Right-click on the shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This will open the developer shell in administrator mode. The command build all examples.bat is used to build all of the MicroStation examples that comes with the SDK. In the developer shell, type in the command to start the build. Once the build is complete, type in the command devenv from the shell to open the development environment. Visual Studio 2015 or later version will open on execution of the command. Note, the required version of Visual Studio is displayed in your developer shell title. Next, to open an example project, go to the location of the MicroStation Connect Edition SDK. In the MicroStation Connect SDK folder, you will find a folder named Examples. This folder contains some examples using MicroStation SDK. Select dialog boxes and then open the My App folder. Click the My App solution to load the project. We must first set the output path of the example. To do this, right-click on My App in the Solution Explorer on the right side panel and go to Properties. In the Properties page, select VC++ directories from the left-hand side panel under Configuration Properties. Next, click on Include Directories drop-down button and select Edit. Type in open parenthesis SDK INC close parenthesis to add the include folder from MicroStation SDK. Or you can also browse and select the include folder. In the same way, click on Library Directories drop-down button and select Edit and select the library folder from the MicroStation SDK folder. Apply the changes and click OK to close the property page window. The APIs are referenced. Now you are ready to build and run the example. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out the other Bentley developer videos in the playlist shown here. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you have a keen interest in learning more about programming with Bentley products, consider subscribing. We will see you next time. Thank you.